Now, Delhi recorded severe air quality at several locations on Wednesday morning. Anand Vihar, Chandni Chowk and Nehru Nagar were among the areas with the highest pollution. Now, as per the Central Pollution Control Board data, it's important to understand that from 40 monitoring stations across Delhi, as many as in fact 14 stations have recorded AQI above 401 this morning, falling in the severe category. The average air quality index, or the AQI, in fact stood for the national capital around 376 today.
No change in the AQI in Delhi NCR. The AQI remains to be in a very poor and severe category in several areas of the national capital. Currently, we are reporting from Akshardham, and here also the AQI has crossed above 400, and that's why in fact you can see that the visibility is quite low over here. Otherwise, in the normal days, visibility is approximately beyond 200 meters. But as of now, you can see that the visibility is quite low. This entire area is covered with a blanket of a smog, and this continues to remain for the next few days as well. As the experts say that there is not going to be quite a significant change in the air quality index for the next few days until and unless some concrete steps are taken. We have also seen that how not just AQI but PM2.5 and PM10 are also continuously rising, due to which the people of Delhi are facing issues like breathing problems, itching and other skin related issues as well. And now air pollution has become the biggest problem over here in the national capital. It's not less than an air emergency, and there is a serious need to take a concrete step to curb the air pollution in the national capital.